Good morning. Around the house with Kay and Tom this morning. I have so much to do. I am going to fix some venison cube steak that came from North Carolina, and I'm going to put it in a crock pot. I just want something done tonight for dinner. So what we're going to do, we're going to take this pound of cube steak. We're going to use Lipton soup, a bag of that, an onion, black pepper, and a little water, and 1 can of mushroom soup. Okay, I've got the meat in the pot. I'm going to slice up this onion right quick. Around the house with Kay and Tom. I have so much I want to accomplish today, so I thought this would be the easiest way to get this done, because I had taken the deer steaks out of the freezer yesterday and they're thawed up, so I need to cook it. Don't want it to go bad. And all you do is you just take your onion and you just put it in the pot. No certain way, and it doesn't have to be chopped up in fine pieces, because it's going to cook all the pieces anyway, which is a good thing. Okay, there's 1 onion. It was just a medium-sized onion. If you like more onion, definitely use more onions. As I say, you never can get enough onion. And we got a can of cream of mushroom soup. And the reason I'm putting this in a bowl before I put it over my steaks is that I need 3/4 cup of water, and I don't want anything to be lumpy. And we also need a package of Lipton soup. I think Lipton soup has been used for everything. And I'm just going to stir this water in here so it will all blend together. I'm going to actually rinse out this can a little bit, because I seems like a lot of it stuck right in the bottom. This is really just a simple recipe, and I'm going to use 1/4 teaspoonful of black pepper. It appears that I need some more black pepper. And this is just regular ground. This is fine ground black pepper. You can use any kind you want. Alright, and we're just going to pour it right over the steaks. And that is all you do to these cube steaks. I'm going to put the lid on it, and we're going to turn it on high for a couple of hours. And then when I get done with everything, I may more than likely put this package of brown gravy over the top of it, because it's just something I like. You don't have to, but I like it because I'm going to make some cream potatoes, and I'll have a little bit more gravy on it. Again, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom, and this is nothing in the world but some cube venison steaks, 1 onion, 1 package of Lipton onion soup, 3/4 cup of water, can of cream of mushroom, and a 1/4 cup of black pepper. All in the crock pot, already started to go. And we'll be back in a couple of hours. Okay, I am back. It has been about 5 hours, and we're going to see what we've got with this cube steak venison. I don't know if you can see in it or not, but let me see if I can lift it up. I do hope you can see that. It really does look good. See what we've got here. I had 4 pieces. But it actually looks real good. Let's just see how tender it is. Oh my goodness. Did you see that? Do you see just how tender that broke apart? Very, very good. Now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to fix some creamed potatoes. And I am going to have venison cube steak around the house with Kay and Tom. And again, this is cube venison steak. Come from North Carolina. My son gave it to me. And so that's what I'm having for dinner. Thank y'all for watching my video. Please join my channel if you haven't already done so. And I hope you have a very good day. Come back to see me. Bye.